In this video I am introducing Freepik Pikaso, which converts sketch to images in real time. Let's start. I have provided link in description. First you will have to sign up. These are tool set. Using Paint you can draw your ideas. Color palette is provided. You can adjust size of brush form here. Also we can use icons. I am creating Christmas tree. Select color. From icon select triangle. Make a copies of it. Now I am making stem. Select background color. Add star. Describe your drawing here. You can set imagination. If you are using free, there is daily drawing limit. Download the image. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.